Brickyard 3295 to Atlanta with uniform.
Brickyard 3295, fully cleared, cleared to Atlanta, via affiliate, departure is filed, squawk 1111 with uniform.
Affiliate is filed 1111.
Brickyard 3295, read back correct.
Good day.
Brickyard 3295. Go right there at spot 6, contact ground at .9.
Spot 6.9. Brickyard 3295, you say you want us to go over to spot 6?
You can contact them right there at spot 7.
Alright, thanks. Brickyard 3295, spot 7, taxi Victor.
Brickyard 3295 for the ground runway 9 left for departure. Do you have access to Quebec from your present position? Brickyard 3295, follow Delta left to right, taxi be at Kilo, a right turn on Kilo, hold short Tango.
Delta, right on Kilo, short of Tango, Brickyard 3295.
Brickyard 3295, wheels up to Atlanta 06, about a 15-minute wait.
Alright, thanks.
Brickyard 3295, just hold short of Tango. Eventually, once the 75 on the other side moves, I'm going to put you on that side. There's just to wait out your time, but for now, hold short Tango.
Kilo short of Tango, Brickyard 3295, thanks.
Brickyard 3295, without delay, traffic is holding position. Turn left at Tango, cross runway 9 left, turn right on Papa and hold short Whiskey.
Tango Papa Whiskey, crossing 9 left, Brickyard 3295.
Brickyard 3295, Papa short of Whiskey. You can say this frequency, but just be ready to go at 06 after.
Alright, that's Papa short of Whiskey on the other side, Brickyard 3295, and we'll be ready.
Brickyard 3295, Philly Tower, runway 9 left, line up and wait.
Line up, wait, 9 left, Brickyard 3295. Runway, we'll be airborne momentarily and on our way. Thanks for your patience. We'll be airborne shortly. Cabin crew, if you would please take your seats for departure. Thanks.
Left, clear for takeoff.
0819 left, cleared for takeoff, Brickyard 3295.
Brickyard 3295, contact departure.
Brickyard 3295, departure, see ya. 2,000, climb to 5.
Brickyard 3295, fully departure, but our contact, climb maintain 7,000.
Climb 7,000, Brickyard 3295.
Brickyard 3295, turn left direct Stowen.
Left turn direct Stowen, Brickyard 3295.
Brickyard 3295, maintain 1010,000.
1010,000, Brickyard 3295. Brickyard 3295, you still want us with you?
Brickyard 3295. Yeah, actually, New York just took the handoff. New York Center 120.02. They'll have higher for you in about 5 miles.
All right, 12002. Didn't mean to rush it. Just it's kind of quiet for a few. Thanks.
No problem.